As we are now entering into the Advent journey of our spiritual preparation of making a worthy manger in our hearts so that we will be joyfully celebrating yet another Christmas this year in the celebration of the coming of the Messiah. And yet, the gospel of today, the familiar story of the centurion, teaches us of how it is to prepare our very hearts, becoming it a worthy manger in this season of Advent, where we are told about the importance of nourishing our faith so that our faith becomes a trusting faith, a faith that commends, and yet a faith that is trusting. Here we are told about a person of authority, a person with much power and command, even by using words, then these words become action. These words become concrete. No, sa ato pa, usa ni sa katawo nga palasugo. O kada sugo niya, matuman gyud, no? Kay kung di ka mutuman, mo na giingon sa ato mga katigwangan, dila raw niya way labod nimo, no? Then therefore we are told here that this is also something that is reflective of a faith becoming a trusting faith. Even the centurion commands Jesus. Iyang gisugo si Kristo. Human siya may explain nga siya usa ka tawo nga kung musugo matuman gyud. Ug iyang gisugo si Kristo. When Jesus offered himself to go to their dwelling, to their house and heal the ailing servant of the centurion, and yet the centurion tells Jesus, there's no need for you to go. At a very familiar antiphon before receiving the communion, Lord, I am not worthy to have you under my roof, but only say the word. And in that antiphon we say, and I shall be healed. But here, by just say the word, and just say the word, and my servant be healed. No? Yang gisugo si Kristo, ipamulong lang. O diha sa imuhang pagpamulong, maayo ang ako ang sulugoon. And this is something that we can learn from a faith that is trusting. Yes, even our prayers are sort of command. And yet, from that command, there is underlying trusts. Siguro mingon ta sa Ginoo, Ginoo, ihatag na ning ako ang gipangayo karon. Ginoo, ayuha kining akong sakit. Imanhiman bitawg dili dayon tubagon si Ginoo, mingon ta, Ginoo, i-unfriend na ti ka kay wa gyud nimo gituman ang ako ang gisogo nimo. And yet, this is a test for that kind of faith that becomes a trusting faith. Because we command and yet we believe. We command and yet we trust. Just like the centurion in today's gospel. He commands, but underneath comes a faith that is trusting. A faith that we rely everything to the Lord. After all the things that we can do according to our might, we entrust everything to the Lord. Because just like the centurion, he cannot command the ailing servant, get well. Siguro, makasugo siya sa uban nga mga sulugoon, pero kining sakit, di siya makasugo. Di niya maingon, balhin nga tos kung silingan, kay maritis ka ito, no? But this is an end of what our human capacity can do, and yet we entrust it to the Lord, trusting that in the goodness and compassion of the Lord, He will grant our requests. May this Advent season be a season for us to nourish our faith and becoming and let that faith becomes a trusting faith. Amen.